Hello, family, friends, and subscribers to Double AZ Slots. I would just like to congratulate all of my family and friends and my subscribers for letting Double AZ Slots hit over 200 subscribers this past week. I'd like to thank you very much for your support, and hopefully the next round will come up to like 500 to 1,000 subscribers. We're celebrating this one over 200 this week in front of Crazy Cherries. And this seems to be the favorite for our subscribers, Lori Bradley and Ava Woods. So hopefully you can bring us some luck on this celebration of over 200 subscribers to the channel. And hopefully it'll come out to be a good one. And I just need you to hit that like button and tell your family and friends to share it, and also subscribe if they haven't already. We got a little glare in this Crazy Cherries. There's your progressives up there. So hopefully we'll go ahead and hit it big for Double AZ Slots. And can't do much for the glare, but we got $100 in the machine and see what we can do. Let's hit it big for Double AZ Slots. Let's do some good. We got to celebrate this now. Hopefully we can get some jewel hunt. Come on now there, Crazy Cherry. Oh, that would have been nice. Oh, now. Come on out. There we go, our first hit. Let's get them going. Oh, come on. There we go. There we go. Oh, that would have been great. There we go. Got 30 out of that one. All right, that's good. That's what we wanted. That's what we wanted. More ammo. More ammo. Got a red spin out of it. Ah, there we go. Come on. It's celebration now. Celebration. There we go. Yep. Purpose of this is trying to get all the diamonds and you get that jewel hunt. That's what we're going to try to do. Get those sevens. Oh, come on, the bar. Would like to get that 10,000 on that. That'd be real nice. Oh, that would have been real good. All you had to do is come down. Come down for supper. There we go, red spin. There we go. We got a red screen. Double it up, double it up. Thank you, Crazy Cherries. As I was saying when we first started up, I'd like to thank all the family and friends and subscribers for making this AAZ slots a success. And the short times that we've been on the air on the YouTube channel. I'd like to thank you very much for you guys' support. And we got more videos coming your way. If you happen to have a special game that you'd like to see, just put it in the comments section. We'll go ahead and review it, and then see if they got one in our gaming establishment, and we'll go ahead and play it for you. Thank you, thank you. Come on, diamonds, start coming out. Hopefully you guys can see the bingo card because it's big glare in it. I can't get rid of it. I've adjusted the lighting with it, but that's the way it is. Well, we got 6. Making us play, letting us play a little bit, that's good. As we're here celebrating our 200, we're here at Mile High, as you were High Winds Casino here in Miami, Oklahoma. Beautiful establishment. Let's go ahead and try to get another red spin. And let's try it for something else. Dying on us and not making us play though. That's what's saying is good. There we go. There we go. Thank you very much, Crazy Cherries. Get a red screen. Ah. Well. Come on there. Get all your cousins together. Let's get it going. Well, I tell you what, there's one of them. Now we got 4 more to go, but I don't think we're going to go ahead and do that. That's what brings people in. Do about 4 more here. Unless we get something good. Well, I guess it heard me. Oh man. Get 3 more down. See what I let. Yeah, that's what we needed right there. Okay, let's make the last one. Well, 2 more now. Let's hit it big. Oh, brand new card. Well, it made us play, but it wasn't giving much to us. So we'll go ahead and see what another game we can go ahead and play. And again, I'd like to thank everybody. Hit the like button and hit that subscribe button and pass it on to your family and friends. And again, a very thank you very much for all my family and friends and subscribers for having over 200 subscribers to AAZ Slots. So I thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. And let's see what we can do. We're winning now, so let's go ahead and have some more fun. Take care now.